Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa and I am a librarian here at the Bridgewater Public Library. And this video is to tell you about something we're excited for you guys to check out and use. It is a website and app called Beanstack. And Beanstack is a fun way to track how much you're reading and what you've been reading virtually. You can also use it to participate in fun reading programs at the library and some fun reading challenges that we'll be doing. And when you participate in those programs, you can earn virtual badges for how much you've read. You can also earn badges and tickets for real-life raffle prizes. So that's really cool. So the more you read, the more chances you have at winning some prizes. So it's kind of like a fun game that you can join in and do. And you can also leave reviews or even photos of you reading with your favorite book. And it's just a great way to kind of track your reading and achieve your reading goals. So I'm going to show you how to set up a Beanstack account if you don't have one already. It's quite simple. You don't need your library card number in order to have a Beanstack account. So I'll show you online how you're going to do that. You're going to come to Bridgewater Public Library, and under Resources, you're going to come down to Beanstack. Once you're here, it explains a little bit more about Beanstack, and the instructions for how to do it on the website are here, but if you are interested in the app, you can come down here. So here we're going to go to Bridgewater Beanstack site. So here we are. It's going to bring us to our Beanstack reading page. And when you're here, you're going to sign up for an account, and you can decide if you want to have your own account or if you want to have a family account, which that's a really neat thing. You can have as many readers on the account as you like so that you can all participate in the challenge at the library and get everyone involved, and that's really fun. So I'll show you a little bit, if you don't have an account, how to register. You're going to come here and it's going to ask, have you ever previously used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge? And you're going to click no. And then again, you decide if you're registering for yourself or for a family account. And this is where you're going to just put in your information, real simple, name, email, and you'll create your own personal password here. It does ask how old you are. Anybody at any age can participate. And then you'll click next, and it'll take you to the next screen just so that you can finish up creating that account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign right on in. So here, I'm going to type in my email address associated with the Beanstack account and my personal password. And click sign in. Great. So once you're here, you can see that this is something I am participating in, and I'm going to click it. As you can see, I haven't logged any reading yet, but I would like to earn some of these fun and cool badges. So you can earn a coffee cup or a moose based on how much you've read. And you can also earn these tickets. And the tickets help you earn the raffle prizes. So I'm going to click in here because I would like to earn this coffee cup. And it's going to earn me 1 ticket. Click on minutes, and it's going to take me to my reading log where it shows today's date. And I'm going to put in that I have read 1 hour. You can also put in the title and author if you want. I will put in something that I have read in that hour. Wasn't everything, but here we are, The Mitten by Jan Brett. And it says, would you like to include a review? And you can select no or yes, and then you would click log. It saves it, and I have now earned the coffee cup badge. So that's really fun, and it also shows how many tickets I've earned for this. So for 1 hour of reading, I have earned 1 ticket, and I can even enter to win that prize. So that's really exciting. And here it is. So you can choose what prize you want to enter for. Which raffle you want to enter for would be chosen here. And you would just click the add tickets because we've earned that 1 ticket. And you pop that in, enter 1 ticket, and now it's entered. So now you are part of that raffle in order to win that prize. So that's a really neat feature. If you want to write a review, you can come up here to reviews. And I haven't written any reviews yet, but if I wanted to, I would write one here by clicking write a review. You could also just submit yourself with the book, picture of the book that you're reading, and you're maybe in your favorite reading spot. That's another fun way to leave a review, just a picture. But if you wanted to write something, you can click here. And this is where I would maybe put in the title of what I've read. Actually shows the author, you can choose right there. And then this would be where I would type in my review. And then you're going to click Save. You click All Badges. It'll show everything here of the badges you've earned. And if you click here, okay, so when you click on Reading Log, you can see the book that I have read, which is The Mitten by Jan Brett. And I've also read it for 1 hour, which shows right here, 1 hour. And then if I wanted to go back to the reading challenge, and let's say I participated in a virtual reading program that the library was doing. You can also earn things, badges, and enter tickets to win more prizes by attending a virtual program. So I'm going to click back into our reading challenge that I'm participating in. And if I attended that event, I would want to click down into activities. And here it'll show you that because I attended a library program virtually, I am going to earn a chipmunk badge. And I'm going to click into get that badge. And it does give a little hint here. It says, when you attend one of our virtual programs, don't forget to listen for the special activity code you can enter to earn raffle tickets. So in this case, the special code I'm going to enter here when I click Enter Secret Code. And then I'm going to click Save. And it'll mark that I have attended the virtual program and I have earned the chipmunk badge. So that's really fun and neat. And it shows that I've earned a ticket for this, and then I can enter to win a raffle prize. And so you would click here. And it shows that I have 1 ticket to spend in this challenge from attending that virtual event. So I would like to enter to win a prize, so I'm going to click Add Tickets to enter. So this is Beanstack, and it's a great way to attend library programs virtually, track your reading virtually, and earn some fun reading prizes, all from the comfort of using your own app wherever you may be, or you can use the website. So I hope you'll check it out. I hope this video was helpful, and definitely keep looking on Facebook, our website, and Instagram. A little bit more about our upcoming reading challenges where we hope you will use Beanstack. Thank you.